Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy up in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman? That why me crank that Soldier?
Hello beautiful people. So I have gone ahead and I pulled everything out of my bag. What I got today was a mystery bag or mystery box from BFLYLA Boutique. Just a little disclaimer, you guys go and check out BFLYLA Boutique. The items that I have shown here will probably not be available, so they won't be linked in a description. But I wanted to showcase some of their pieces because I do like the quality of their clothes, and I have quite a few things now. So enjoy. And the deal was for 10 items, and if it's a set, it's considered one item. So it was 10 items for $78 with shipping, and it's $400 worth of clothing. So there was notes, or a box where you can put notes in there to say what you prefer not to have, but you kind of get what you get when they put it in the bag. So we're gonna go through each piece and let you see what they look like. And then up here, I'm going to have them on. So I'm gonna insert a clip for each piece that I try on, okay? So let's look at the first item. It is a pair of white, just some cotton pants, legging type material. And it is the bell bottom. Looks like something that I can wear on a vacation. So these are cute, just a pair of white legging pants. Quality is very good. It is not extra thin. It is a little see-through, but good quality material. Next item I have, yeah, I think this one might be a miss. So it is a one-piece jumper with the zipper in the front right here. The last time I tried one of these on, it was green with stripes on the side. I looked like I was in Squid Games. Yeah, this, I don't even think the color is flattering on me, but we're gonna see. A jumpsuit in orange, it might be a bit much. It has a little holes for the thumbs, and the bottom is tight, so it's not like a bell bottom, it's just a skinny leg. So we're gonna try it on. Okay, and the next piece, this is cute. It is a V-neck maxi dress. It has a slit up the front, and the material is kind of like it's almost like a rayon, but it has a little bit of a texture on there. This is super cute. This is definitely vacation wear. Very nice quality. The next item we have is another one piece, looks like, yes. And go figure, guys, in my last video, or in the next video, I just got a green purse because I have a lot of items in my wardrobe that have this olive green color to it. So here we are with another one. This one is a one piece. This is the back of it. It has the built-in zipper, so it's not, it doesn't show. It's kind of sewn in, which is really nice. It makes it a little bit more elegant. But again, this is a one-piece jumper or romper, long sleeve. The quality of these outfits are so freaking good. It's not, you don't see like the stitching coming out of it or anything. It's really really nice quality. It has a skinny leg at the bottom. So I'm interested to see what that one looks like. Okay, so it's like another pair of pants. Oh, these are nice. Heavy material, but it's not fleece on the inside. These are really nice. These are cargo type. Oh, they have pockets here too. So they have the pockets here, and then they also have the cargo pocket on the side, and it has it on both sides. Has a nice little silver detail in the front. Just a pair of pants, black with the wide leg. So hopefully they fit all the way at the bottom and they're long enough. These are nice. And again, you guys, quality on these clothes are amazing. I have a few of their dresses, but again, they're just some summer maxi dresses, and you figure it's not much to them. The quality of those were really good. These are nice. And I'm seeing sequins. Okay. Not only is it sequins, but it's sheer. I did say I'm not built for sheer type clothing or low-rise pants. They sent me a sheer dress. The quality of the dress is really nice, but I don't like this. I don't even know where I would wear this to if I were to wear this. Little sequence on here. Yeah. This might have to be given away. But we're gonna try it on and see what it looks like. Next we have, this is a two-piece. Oh, this is nice. Very much so vacation wear. I do see a little imperfection in the waistband of the elastic, but nothing major. This is really cute. So these are pants, sheer. They are definitely see-through. I don't know if you can see down on the camera or not. They are see-through. This, you would have to wear like a bodysuit underneath it. Top for this one, this goes with the pants. It has bell-bottom sleeves to go with the bell-bottom pants. Just a nice little collar. This is really cute. Like I said, you would just have to wear a bodysuit under here because this is completely sheer. Looks like we have two more pieces. I'm excited. So I have this dress in mint green, and I've never worn it because I did not like my imperfections in the dress. But they sent me the same dress in black. It is a hoodie. You guys know I like my hoodie dresses. And it is just a long sleeve maxi dress. As you can see, it's super long. Sweeps the ground, long sleeve, again, quality. And this is like super soft. Nice and stretchy. Again, everything that I've got in this haul is going to be in a size large. And the last piece that I have here is a kind of a crew neck scrunch midi dress. It is black as well. This one does not have the strings where you can pull it and make it, you know, ruche on the side. It is just all ruche. So this is a long sleeve midi dress. See, super cute. So that concludes my haul. Hope you all enjoyed. And I noticed you guys were peeping from the outside in my last haul, my Temu haul, and in my Shein haul. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Go ahead and comment and let me know which piece you like best, and any of the items that I will not be keeping, I'm going to hold on to them, and once I reach 150 subscribers, I'm going to do a little giveaway. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you again for joining me and watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you soon. Bye.